In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format and reinstall Windows 11. This process will guide you through refreshing your operating system, which can be especially useful if you're experiencing issues or simply want to start anew with a clean install. Let's get started. First, we'll need to open the Start menu. You can do this by clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's that simple. Once you've got the Start menu open, you'll want to look for the Settings app. You can easily find it by locating the gear icon. It usually stands out among the other app icons. Now that you're in the Settings app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll want to navigate to the System section. You can find it listed on the left side of the window. Clicking on System will reveal more options related to your computer's configuration. The next step takes us to the Recovery settings. Once you're in the System settings, look for Recovery, usually nestled further down the list of options. This is where you'll find the tools necessary for resetting your PC. Click on Recovery, and now we are in the right place. Under the Recovery section, there's an option that says Reset this PC. Click on that button, and this is where things start to get interesting. Windows will now prompt you with two choices. You can either keep your personal files or remove everything. If you're encountering a lot of issues or want a fresh start, you might opt to remove everything. Just remember, removing everything does mean wiping your data, so make sure you have backups of anything important. Once you've made your choice, the system will guide you through a few more prompts. It's designed to be as intuitive as possible, so just follow the directions on screen. At this stage, Windows will prepare to reinstall itself, which might take some time, so kick back and relax while it does its thing. When the process is complete, your PC will restart with a fresh installation of Windows 11. Spend a few moments setting up your preferences and restoring any files you backed up. It's a straightforward process, but it can make a big difference in terms of the performance and stability of your system. There you have it. You've successfully formatted and reinstalled Windows 11. If you run into any difficulties, don't hesitate to consult additional resources or reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.